Hello friends, welcome to Joy of Life. So today we are going to do a review and unboxing of one of the most premium webcam from Logitech. So it's Logitech C922 Pro Steam webcam, HD 1080 at 30 fps and 720 at 60 fps, hyperfast streaming, stereo audio, HD light correction, autofocus for YouTube, Twitch, XSplit, PC, Mac, laptop. It's compatible with literally everything. This is how the webcam looks, and you get a tripod mount along with this, so you can see the tripod on the screen. And we are going to soon unbox it and see it live. So you can see that this have a HD 1080 with two mics by the side of the cams, full HD video, hyperfast 720, and then you have the 3 months XSplit license that you're getting it for free. So it seems to have a clear audio capture with noise cancellation, so that's definitely a plus for us. Talking about the compatibility, it's compatible with Xbox, Windows, Apple, Chrome, Skype, everything, virtually everything it will work with. So let's look at the description. So here are many variants that you get. You get it with a Blue Yeti, though I haven't opted for this because I already use a Blue Yeti. So what Logitech claims is that the webcam specially designed and optimized for professional quality video streaming on social gaming and entertainment sites like Twitch and YouTube. So that's what I was looking for. Record clear videos even in dim or poorly backlit settings with automatic light correction. So we are going to check on this part. We are going to do a detailed comparison with my existing webcam from Lenovo. We are going to see it side by side and understand. And here are some of the related products, and here are some comparisons. So here is my old cam over here. As you can see, this is the one that I'm using currently, and this is the new one that I have bought. So there is a huge price difference between the two. This Logitech over here cost almost 4 times my current webcam's price. So this was at 2199 and this one at 8799. The Lenovo weighs a little lighter, and this one is a pretty heavier compared to this. So we are going to see it side by side. So let's look at some of the features. So we have two omnidirectional mic over here. We have a tripod, brighter images, full HD glass lens. So definitely the cost is going to get higher. Nearly 87% who has rated it higher than 3 stars. So that's a pretty decent feedback for a webcam. And in many of the site, I got a very good feedback from this. So I thought of trying it out. So let's head over, let's unbox it, and let's see what's inside the box. And then we are going to see a detailed comparison of this webcam along with my older Lenovo webcam, which you have just seen, which is this one. So let's move over to the unboxing part and let's check out the review of both the products. So let's unbox it. So this is the package that I have received. So let's go ahead and open it. So here is the box, Amazon box, packed well. Received in 2 or 3 days. So let us open the box and check the webcam. So here is our C922 Pro HD Stream webcam from Logitech. This is the box. 1080p with 30 frames and 720p with 60 frames. It includes this tripod, as you can see over here. Nothing on this side. Some details, manufacturing details, not much inside. So let's go ahead and open the seal and check out the cam. So I've opened up the seal, so let's go ahead and open the box. Nicely packed. Here is the cam. So let's take it out. So let's take out the entire content of the box first, and then we'll get the cam out. So nothing else inside. This is how it looks. This is what all is inside the box. So here is the tripod. Taken out everything from the box. So here is the cam for you. There is no privacy shutter over here, as I see, and there are two speakers, bi-directional speakers, and there is the mount over here. I'm not sure if it is compatible with the tripod that I use, the normal tripod, or not. We're going to check on that as well. And this is the wire. So the wire seems pretty long, though it's not braided. Normal high quality plastic. The wire seems pretty big, as you can see over here. And so here is the tripod. It's a metallic tripod. So you have a lock over here. Once you lock it, the head won't move. It's fixed now. You just twist it to unlock. Now the thing should be released, and once you just turn it around, the head is now firmly locked. So let me remove the cover. So this should go ahead and stand perfectly on the tripod. So this is how it looks after removing all the stickers. So I have removed it from the bottom. The glue is stuck over here a little, as you see. This is the tripod stand over here, and you have the normal clamp as well, so you can put it on the edge of your screen or the monitor wherever you are using. You can just free to put it there as well. So you can just open this, and you can adjust the bottom of the clamp as well. So if you want to use this for mounting it, you can do that as well. The tripod goes in over here. As you see, it's pretty straightforward, and once you have mounted it, now you can lock it the way you want. So you can just again once you fix the position of it, you can just lock its head so that it doesn't move. So it provides a lot of advantage for me while recording. I can just change to any direction I want, and I can lock it, and I'll be assured that it won't move, so it will be fine. Unfortunately, this doesn't work with the normal tripod mount. So you can see over here that there are no screws, or there are no way to put this tripod over here. So even if you look at the tripod mount, you will see that it's just a push that you need to do in order to fix it. There are no screws. It's just basically push and pull. So you just push it in and you pull it out. There is no screw as such to mount it. So it will just go ahead and sit like this. So anyways, that's a point for disappointment. So what we'll do is we are going to check on the quality, which is the most important part for this webcam, right? So we will plug it to our PC and quickly check, and before that there are some papers as well. So let's see what are those. So this webcam comes with a 3 months premium split license, and here is the license code which you need to use in order to register it. Nothing much over here. Apart from that, there was one apart from that, you have your warranty and all those instructions sheet over here. I guess nobody reads it anyways. So let's go ahead and try out the webcam, and let's compare it to my older webcam and see how it stand out. So previously I was using this webcam, as you see over here. I'll share the link in the description as well. It's a basic Lenovo webcam which cost only the 10% price of this webcam. It has a privacy shutter, and it was good. All the videos that you have seen so far in the channel is from this webcam. So we are going to test out the new guy over here. So now we'll move over to the new guy and test them side by side, and we'll see how they stand out. So this is just a comparison between my new camera and the old camera. So the picture that you are seeing at the moment is from this software called SplitCam, and you are seeing me through C922 Pro, as you see over here. And as I disable this, you are seeing me through my older camera, and currently we are in a very low light setup. It's daytime, but I have put the curtains on, no lights are on. So you can see the amount of grain in this picture compared to the one over here, which is not having much grain, right? And if you also see at the same time, both the cameras are placed just side by side, but the angle of view for this camera is quite narrow compared to the Lenovo cam. So you can see the Lenovo cam's width is quite big compared to it, but definitely the picture quality isn't that great on the Lenovo cam, but it cost 10% the cost of the Logitech cam, right? So here are the side-by-side comparison of both the cameras. So you can clearly see the difference between the two. The C922 Pro tends to outperform the Lenovo when in a low light situation. So what I'll do is I'll switch on one of the light, and then we'll switch on the second light and see how the performance differ between the two. So currently what I've done is I have switched on the light, which is just in this wall behind the monitor and behind the cam. So you are getting the direct light on my face. And you can see the change in the Lenovo cam. It started performing better with the help of the light. Things just started looking better. But we don't see much difference on the Logitech camera. It is adjusting by itself. It's adapting to the situation and the light that's present in the room. So let me go ahead and put the second light, which is on the left hand side, just next to the AC. So now I have both the lights on. So let me twist this. So now I have both the lights on, and you are seeing me through the C922 cam. Not much difference. It's again adapting to the light. And if I disable this, now you're seeing me through the Lenovo cam, which is also doing a pretty good job with the wider angle of coverage compared to the price. So I hope this gives you a very fair idea of how both the cams perform. So you can see over here that both the images, you can see definitely there is a clear distinction between the Lenovo cam, which is this one, and the new Logitech cam, this one over here. So the difference is huge when you're shooting under the low light, and this is one of the key parameter based on which webcam or a normal camera is being assessed, right? Now putting back the lights on. So currently I have just put the background light on, which is on this wall behind the camera. And you can see the Lenovo is now doing a little better compared to the no light situation. And you can see there isn't much difference on the Logitech camera over here. So it tends to automatically adapt itself to the light. And the one over here, the Lenovo cam over here, who requires a little bit of light to support the streaming or shooting of the videos. And now putting back both the lights, it definitely works out great for both the cameras. You can see both the cameras are doing a pretty good job, but I feel the Lenovo camera is a bit more sharper over here. The image you can see in the Lenovo cam, the things are pretty sharp compared to the Logitech cam over here. Even if you see the background objects, I am not very satisfied with the camera over here, the Logitech camera over here. You can see the difference in the object behind me. You can see this wall unit over here. You'll see a complete difference in the picture quality, where Lenovo I feel is outperforming the Logitech camera. So I need to do my bit of research in order to see how I can improve the image. I'm sure Logitech is a good camera over here, which cost pretty higher than the Lenovo cam. So I expect it to deliver good images. So I need to do my bit of R&D to find out what are the settings that I am missing over here. So coming back to the Logitech G Hub, I could see my C922 over here, the webcam, but I'm not able to change any of the settings from the videos or filters and all I can change, but that's not what I'm looking for. I am looking to change the camera settings so that I can adjust the zoom, focus, or the exposures. So to add a new mode, you can do a adjustment over here, and you can zoom in the amount you want to. So you can see that's a pretty handy feature. And now you can control your focusing point, so you can change the focus of the camera. I don't want it auto, I just want to change the focus manually. So you can pretty much control all the exposure, focus, zoom, everything from here. You can set your priority to frame rate or to exposure. You can set back to the default. For videos, you have a completely different settings that you can change from here. You can add a new filter, and you can apply certain things to it as well. So you can change the sharpness and everything. You can just play around with it and you will discover more about it. So yeah, even I am yet to discover more, and I'll be sharing more as and when I find it. So yeah, that's all from this video. I hope you liked the video. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do share and like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Bye bye and take care.